Good day, everyone. Welcome to the College of Architecture, Planning, and Sustainable Built Environment, more commonly referred to as CAPSBE. We are pleased to have you here today as you take an important step in your academic journey through this skill test, which form part of your college admission requirement. And before we proceed with the test, allow me to briefly orient you about the programs you are applying for and what you can expect as a future CAPSBE student. CAPSPE currently offers two undergraduate programs. The first is the Bachelor's of Science in Architecture, and the second is the Bachelor of Science in Environmental Planning. While both programs are grounded in built environment, they differ in focus, scale, and professional direction. The BS Architecture program is centered on planning, design, and construction of buildings and physical spaces. It trains students to become more ready or future architects who are capable of conceptualizing and designing structures that are not only functional and aesthetically sound, but also responsive to environmental, cultural, and societal needs. Students in this program develop skills in design thinking, spatial planning, technical detailing, and sustainability integration. While on the other hand, the BS Environmental Planning program focuses on a broader scale. It deals with planning and management of cities, communities, and regions. Environmental planners are trained to address issues such as land use, transportation system, disaster risk reduction, and sustainable development. This program is highly interdisciplinary, integrating social, environmental, and economic and policy perspectives to guide long-term development. For those applying for BS Architecture program, your academic journey will be structured around five major clusters of learning. The first cluster is design, which serves as the core of the program. This is where you will develop your ability to conceptualize spaces, solve and design problems, and produce architectural proposals. The second cluster is visual communication, or we call it VISCOM. This focuses on how you express your ideas through drawings, drafting, digital modeling, and presentation techniques. Architecture is not only about ideas, but also how effectively you communicate them. The third cluster is history, theory, and professional practice, or HTPP. This provides you more theoretical foundation of architecture, including its historical evolution, guiding principles, and ethical responsibilities in the professional practice. The fourth cluster is Building Technology and Utilities, or BTBU. This involves understanding how building actually works. For structural systems, the materials, the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems. It bridges design with technical feasibility. Finally, the fifth cluster consists of engineering subjects, which supports your technical competence. This includes structural design, construction principles, and other analytical subjects that ensure your design are safe, stable, and buildable. Another important aspect of studying at National University is that it operates under trimestral or trisem academic system. This means that instead of traditional 2 semesters per year, NU has 3 academic terms annually. These structures allow for a more continuous and focused learning experience, enabling students to progress through the curriculum at a more efficient pace while maintaining engagement throughout the year. Now, regarding the skill test you're about to take, this assessment is designed to evaluate your fundamental skills in visualization, creativity, spatial reasoning, and problem solving. It is not necessarily about being perfect, but about demonstrating your potential as your ability to think critically and express your ideas clearly. As you take the test, we encourage you to stay focused, manage your time wisely, and approach each task with confidence. There is no single correct way to express creativity. What matters is how you think and how you translate those thoughts into your output. To conclude, CAPSBE is committed to developing future professionals who will shape not only buildings but also communities and environment. Whether you pursue architecture or environmental planning, you are entering a field that plays a crucial role in creating resilient, sustainable, and livable spaces. Once again, welcome and we wish you the best of luck in your skill test. Thank you, everyone.